Welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the CapCut PC when you are offline. So in here, I'm going to show you through this video what can you do on CapCut PC when you don't have any internet connections on your computer. So in here, if you are not using internet, you cannot access the CapCut library, so you don't have you cannot import a material from the CapCut library. But here you cannot also access the effects on CapCut and also the stickers. So what you can do if you don't have any internet connection on CapCut PC, here you can adjust the scale of your video still. You can also stabilize. You can also use the blend uh, settings in here. And let's try audio. So you can also still edit the audio in here and adjust the speed of your videos. For example, I'm going to make it slow. Sorry, faster. I'm going to make it faster like this. And you can also, let's try animation. So you still have access to animation when you are offline. And I think you can also do some adjustment or color grading when you are offline. And I think that's all. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.